mother jumpers and happy early Valentine's Day. I am here with another one from the Outre Every. So this is Outre Every. This is Outre Every number 9, okay? I have her in the color number 1B. Y'all, this unit, it's a bob unit, okay? It's a EveryWear lace front wig. That means we supposed to be able to wear this whole every day, okay? But I am specifically styling this one for Valentine's Day. So my face is beat. I'm gonna put on a cute little outfit for you guys and give you another Valentine's Day look, okay? So I'm coming through again with Outre Every number 9. She's currently going for, wait a minute, sis. You just wait, sis. She's currently going for $20. You heard me, ho. 20 maybe $10, y'all. Like, can you believe it? So this unit is really, like, for the price. Come on. Like, we need to talk about that. So already I like the texture of this hair. She is looking a little bit of Gwyneth. You already can tell. You already can tell. Look how ashy that is. Heifer is ashy, okay? She's giving Gwyneth Paltrow. This is the stock card, okay? She's really cute. She comes in several different colors, all right? She has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. For the people who know, okay? Now, it also comes with this, like, lace part. Now, already I could tell she needs to be plucked out. You see that? Like, she's really, really thin. Really thin. So, we're definitely going to have to get into that one, okay? Because look at that. So, also, we're definitely going to darken up this lace. I'm going to just do that right now using my Fenty Beauty 440 foundation. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed. Absolutely, positively obsessed with Fenty Beauty. It's almost my exclusive foundation. Right now, I'm wearing Estee Lauder, which is fire. Let me tell y'all something. Fire. Y'all see how beautiful? My skin look like skin. In the bag, it look like skin. Okay? And we just gonna get this $20 bob all the way together. Now, the texture of the hair is giving kind of thick. It's not giving synthetical, which I like and appreciate. I'm just going through the perimeter and just darken this up before I chop her off. I don't know why. It just makes me feel better to do it this way. I'm just gonna go through right at the ear tabs too. Don't forget, you don't want to be looking ashy on the sides either. Okay? And I have a real dark cap, so it's going to darken up this parting space. But we want to make sure when we pluck, she's pluggity plucked out. So I'm going to shut my Mammy Tat mouth, throw my, look how cute she is. Oh, I'm excited. Because I already know what dress I'm up on, so I'm excited. And I'm going to shut my mouth, get this together. $20, you can look sexy and ready to go for date night for Valentine's Day. I'm so obsessed with this unit. She did take a little bit to get together because you kind of want to zhuzh her and really make her look like something. I got a little piece of hair right here, guys. So let me just pull this out. You definitely had to pluck the hairline, add a little heat to zhuzh her up a bit. But this curl is so sexy. What do you guys think? I'm really into this one. She didn't tangle at all. I'm going to attribute that because she's really kind of short too, which is also really kind of nice. But she's giving love, sex, and magic. I came through in a leather dress from Fashion Nova. Is this from Fashion Nova? Or is it from Naked Wardrobe? Can't remember. I think it's Fashion Nova. Yeah, I think it's Fashion Nova. She's really stinking cute. You guys really need to check this one out. Turn around for you guys and get you some love, sex, and magic. She's an absolute vibe. $20 for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys were just as into this one as I was. I don't even have nothing else to say because she came all the way through. She got me looking like I'm about to be bent over something. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.